Hi, Leann Forst here, and I'm continuing my educational series on how to make essential oil roller bottle blends using doTERRA essential oils. So a lot of times people want to use plant-based medicine and they want to use, essential oils and incorporate them into their medicine cabinet, but they just don't know what to do with them when they get home. And so this is how I'm going to educate you on how to make different blends to support your health. And so today we're going to talk about how to make a blend to specifically address stress. And so stress is important. A lot of people kind of write it off as something that's just normal or, usual, something that they just live with day in and day out. But stress is really damaging to our health. And, it's something that I personally deal with. And stress is really connected to all major diseases. Cancer, heart disease, diabetes, all have a stress component. So really alleviating stress and addressing it with natural solutions is important to do in our daily lives. So to address stress, I'm going to make a 5 milliliter roller bottle, and I'm going to use some of the best mood balancing and stress relieving blends from doTERRA. And I'm going to put 5 drops of each. This is Elevation, which is, it smells amazing on its own. You can diffuse by itself or make blends such as this one. And then I'm going to add Balance, which is another wonderful blend from doTERRA, and I'm adding 5 drops of that blend, as well as Citrus Bliss, which is, that one comes out fast. That's another mood balancing blend. And then Whisper. Whisper is one that most people are not aware of, but if you haven't tried it, I would highly encourage it because it smells really nice and it just is very calming by itself. And so this is not going to put you to sleep. It's just going to level you out, right? And so you're going to put 5 of each one of those balancing, mood balancing, stress balancing blends into one 5 milliliter roller bottle, 5 drops of each. If you have a 10 milliliter roller bottle, just double them. And then you're going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil, okay? And then you're going to just pop on the roller ball, all right? And now you're going to roll this on your wrists and the back of your neck throughout the day to relieve stress. And that's it. That's your stress, how to make an essential oil roller bottle blend for stress. So that's it for me. Have a great day.